Hey everyone, this is Mark, and in this video we're going to be checking out some Wi-Fi smart plugs from Amysen. You can pick them up in either an individual or a 4-pack, and they allow you to control everything with the app or your voice. These devices are pretty simple. You just plug them into an outlet, plug a device into the smart plug, and that's it. It's pretty small compared to other smart plugs, which makes them easy to place in tight areas and all around the home. On the side of the device, we have a power button that lights up and on, so you don't need any device around to activate the plug. Setup is pretty easy. They recommend using the Smart Life app. However, I have an Odom smart plug that we reviewed a while ago. These use the same technology as that one, so I was able to add them into the Odom app with no problems. It's just one less app that I need, and it is super nice that it works in multiple apps. So to set the device up, you just plug it into an outlet and make sure the light is blinking. Then you open the app, click Setup, enter in your Wi-Fi password, and that's it. From here, we can turn it on and off, set a schedule, view usage, and many more things that you will likely never use. These smart plugs also work with Amazon Echo and Google Home. You just need the Smart Life plugin, and then just sign in, and you can now control power with your voice. There's really not much to these little things. They just work, and they do a pretty good job of turning things on and off. They're very reliable, and I've had no issues with them not working. It's also a nice feature that they do use the same technology as other smart plugs, so you can consolidate some things into a single app. The build is great, and it's nice that they're super small, and the power button is also a good addition. My only complaint is that there is a high-pitched hissing sound coming from the device at all times. That sound is amplified when the device is turned on and more faint when off, but still very present. It's something that most cheap outlet adapters do, but still an annoyance. Pricing for the 4-pack is a little under $50, but keep in mind that you won't need a hub at all. They're completely standalone, and for that reason, I really do recommend these. If you're interested in picking up these smart plugs, I'll leave a link to them in the description below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Untitled Chapter, and I'll see you in the next one.